Next topic 4.5 non-aligned movement NAM non-alignment movement. Mainly for the non-alignment movement emerged in the walk of the decolonizations that followed the World War II. The non-alignment movement was followed by mainly the World War II, the decolonization that followed. At the Bandung Conference 1955, the newly independent countries of Asia and Africa gave a call for abstaining for the allying with any of the two superpowers. So after the World War, the world was divided into two parts. One is the American flag, another one is Russian flag. So in the two flag not joined of these Asian and African countries. So the newly independent countries of Asia and Africa gave a call for the abstaining for the allying with any of two powers. So the independence அப்புறம் எந்த நாடுகளும் சேராத நாடுகள், அதாவது எந்த டூ பவர்ஸ் ரஷ்யா கூடயோ அல்லது அமெரிக்கா கூடயோ சேராத நாடுகள். It also the pledged the fight for the all form of colonialism and the imperialism. So all the forms the colonialism and imperialism. Mainly the first topic for this, the non-aligned movement NAM, they emerged in this the wake in this decolonizations of the Second World War. At the conference at the Bandung Conference in 1955, the newly independent state, after the Second World War, they giving the independence. The newly independent countries, Asian and Africa, gave a call for abstaining the allying with any of the two superpowers, not joined in any two superpowers. It also the pledged the fight all the form of colonialism and imperialism. The first conference, the NAM held the first conference at the Belgrade in 1961. The first NAM, the first conference at the Belgrade in 1961 under the leadership of Tito Yugoslavia. Some of the leaders also found in the NAMs. One is the Tito in Yugoslavia and Nasser Egypt, Nehru India, and for the Ghana for the mainly the Nkrumah in Ghana and the Sukarno in Indonesia. The basic principles of the non-alignment as listed in the statement issued at the Belgrade Conference, Belgrade Conference. The main principles of the first one is for the peaceful coexistence, first point. Second one is the commitment of the peace and security. First one is peaceful coexistence. The second one is the commitment of the peace and security. The third one is no military alliance with any superpowers. The superpowers, that means the USA and USSR, the United Soviet Russians. The fourth one is no permissions for any superpowers to build the military base in these territories. With the collapse of the Soviet Union, the idea of non-alignment lost relevance. So what are the principles of this non-alignment movement? First one is peaceful coexistence. The second one is commitment of the peace and securities. Third one is no military alliance with any superpowers. Fourth one is no permissions for any superpower to build, mainly for to build a military base in the territories. After that, with the collapse of the Soviet Union, the idea of non-alignment was dissolved. The loss is lost in the collapse of the non-alignment movement. Thank you.